Hello, y'all. What is good? How y'all doing? What's poppin'? Before we get into today's video, please click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I post. Head on over to Instagram. Head on over to TikTok. Follow me over there if you guys want to. I will leave my TikTok and Instagram down below in my description box, as well as everything that you see here in today's video. All right, so let's get started. I am super excited today, you guys, because I got a box from Kawaii Claws on Instagram. She also has a website. It is KawaiiNailsCollection.com. She has some of the cutest packaging. So let's go ahead and open her up. Look how freaking cute. All right, guys, tell me this is not stinking cute. She's got this little card that says Kawaii Nails. On the back, it has her name, Lisa Veronica, Kawaii Nail Collection at gmail.com, www.kawaiinailscollection.com. Instagram is, of course, at Kawaii Claws. She is a licensed nail technician. So here is my discount code for any of you who would like to try them out. I am going to give this a rating at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Look at how cute. All right, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, what do I open first? Looks like we've got some kawaii charms, some chunky charms here. Holy crap, there's a lot of stuff in here. Gosh, so much fun stuff. Okay, so the first thing are these adorable flowers, the cute 3D flowers. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? We have some beautiful cameos. We have some cute little windmills. We have some more beautiful floral 3D. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. These will go with my little honeybees that I got from Walmart. Oh, they're cute. And then, of course, we got these. How adorable, the little bunny rabbits. And we got the little bears to go with those. Cute. Clay roses. Really nice. Some Hello Kitty. Stinking cute. And she put it in a Hello Kitty bag. Oh, these are pretty. Some more really beautiful floral with the pearl and the opal. Some cute little teddy bears. Look at those little yellow teddies. More. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These look like little bees. I don't know. It kind of looks like a little bee. Looks like a little honeybee, but he's got AB wings instead of, you know. She sent me some cute little dragonflies. There we go. Cute little dragonflies. We've got some, oh, these are adorable. These are like little, almost like little metal stamps, and they say love. How stinking cute. Oh, I love these. Those are really neat though. I like those. And then we have some of these beautiful orange iridescent roses. Two little love charms. The next thing we have looks like some raw glitters. Look at the packaging again, so cute. All right, so the first thing we have here are some beautiful iridescent stars. We got some yellowish orange iridescent hexies. It's a mix of like white iridescent. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful. I love this packaging though. We've got some, look at the Mickey Mouse. So we've got some beautiful holographic glitter. It's like a light blue mix with light blue glitters and silver holographic glitter. A beautiful iridescent mix. Looks like it's got purples and blues and pinks. Very gorgeous. And this is a beautiful pink, very fine holographic mix. I love that. That is all for the mixes. Look how stinking cute. She really knows how to package her stuff. Look at this. Look how nicely wrapped. This, oh, it's a rubber top coat. So, oh my God, look at the freaking bottles, y'all. Look how freaking adorable. It's got the silver lid. On the back, it has the directions. It's got caution. It's got your ingredients. For anyone that wants to know, there's her ingredients. Looks like it is HEMA free. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a nice thick top coat. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This one is a no wipe top coat. Okay, so we have a no wipe top coat and we have a rubber top coat. Oh, it's nice too. It's not thin like some of them are. It's a very nice consistency. So this one is the base coat, and it says it right here, base coat. Nice, a very nice consistency again. Not too thick, not too thin. The base coat, the no wipe top coat, and the rubber top coat. And just check out her bottles. Look at that. Look how freaking cute. And they're all different colors, so you can tell them apart. What do we have in here? Oh my gosh, Becky. What did she send me? Wow, what is this? They all say candy art gel. Looks like all the colors too. Look at that. Look at all these. The sticker shows the color, I do believe. There's 14 in the collection. She sent me the whole freaking collection, you guys. Have all the swatches on the website. It says Candy Art Gel Whole Collection. Quantity 14 pieces, 10 grams each. Candy Art Gel is a very high pigmented painting gel polish. It's perfect to create detailed hand painted nail art designs and to draw fine lines. It can be used as a polish with one coat coverage. It cures in 30 seconds in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. Okay, cool. Girl, what did you do? What did you do? So let me just show you like a close-up of these little pots. Look how beautiful they are. On the bottom, it tells you the color number. And then on the top, it shows you the color. The ring around is the color of what should be inside. It does say art gel, and it says Kawaii Nails Collection. And it does say that they are from the Candy Collection. So if you go on her website, it makes it super easy. They are all sealed with a metal seal. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of today's video. This was the unboxing and showing you guys everything that she sent to me. I just want to give her a huge thank you. Thank you. I freaking loved everything. I'm not going to do my scale just yet. We're going to do that in the next video where we're going to do some kawaii nails. So stay tuned for that. Sending you guys lots of love and light, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Thank you again. Kawaii Claws, you rock, girl.